Are you struggling to manage multiple sliders in your Ionic 2 web application? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue where dragging one slider affects another, and I'll show you how to fix it. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when you think you have everything set up correctly, only to find that your sliders are linked together. This is a common problem many developers face. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user mentioned that they have two sliders in their Ionic 2 application, but when they try to drag the second slider, the first one moves too. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to make these sliders independent. So, what's happening here? The issue arises because both sliders are sharing the same gesture events. This means that when you interact with one, the other responds as well. But don't worry, we can fix this. Stay tuned. I have a great solution coming up that will allow you to have completely independent sliders. You won't want to miss this. To create independent sliders in Ionic 2, the user should first ensure that each slider has its own unique reference. This can be done by using the template reference variable in the HTML. Next, the user should configure the sliders to prevent them from interfering with each other. This can be achieved by setting the touch move property to false for each slider. Now, the user should implement the slide change event to manage the behavior of each slider. This will help in controlling the slides without affecting the other slider. Finally, the user should test the sliders in a web browser to ensure they are functioning independently. This includes dragging each slider to confirm that they do not affect each other. Fun fact, did you know that the first web applications were just simple forms? Look how far we've come with frameworks like Ionic. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests using multiple Ion slides with unique identifiers for each slider. This approach ensures that each slider operates independently. The user provides an example with 3 sliders, each with its own pagination and slide content. In the TypeScript code, the user defines 3 sliders and customizes their pagination. This customization allows for distinct pagination styles for each slider, enhancing the user experience. Here's a pro tip. Always keep your components modular and well-structured. This will save you a lot of headaches in the future. And there you have it. Your sliders should now be completely independent. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on Ionic development.